Welcome to SMART-AGRI Hub. Today, we'll explore the key aspects of managing mastitis in sheep, a common but serious issue for many farmers. We'll highlight practical strategies that can help you identify, treat, and prevent mastitis effectively. By understanding the essentials, you can protect your flock's health and maintain productivity. Let's get started with the solutions that make a real difference on the farm. Mastitis is a significant health concern for sheep, impacting flocks across the globe. This disease causes inflammation of the udder, which can lead to pain, reduced milk production, and even loss of affected animals if not treated quickly. Addressing mastitis promptly is essential, as it helps maintain the overall health of the flock and ensures optimal productivity. Early intervention not only improves animal welfare, but also supports the economic stability of sheep farming operations. Mastitis in sheep is primarily caused by bacterial infections, with common culprits including Staphylococcus and Streptococcus species. These bacteria can enter the udder through the teat canal, especially when the animal's immune defenses are compromised. Environmental factors, such as damp bedding, poor ventilation, and unclean living conditions, create ideal conditions for bacteria to thrive and spread. Additionally, management practices like improper milking techniques, overcrowding, and inadequate nutrition can increase the risk of mastitis. By understanding these causes, farmers can take targeted steps to reduce the incidence of this disease in their flocks. Recognizing the early symptoms of mastitis is essential for prompt intervention and effective management. Common signs include swelling and increased warmth in the affected area, which may be accompanied by tenderness or discomfort. You might also notice changes in the quality of milk, such as a different color or consistency. By staying alert to these early indicators, you can address mastitis quickly and reduce the risk of complications. Advanced signs of mastitis can present as intense inflammation, significant pain, and visible swelling in the affected area. In some cases, individuals may also experience fever, chills, or a general feeling of being unwell, indicating that the infection has become more serious. These symptoms suggest that the condition is progressing and requires prompt medical attention. Early intervention is crucial to prevent complications and ensure effective treatment. Mastitis is a significant concern in sheep farming, as it directly affects the health and welfare of the animals. When sheep develop mastitis, their comfort and well-being are compromised, often leading to pain and reduced quality of life. Additionally, this condition can cause a noticeable decline in milk production, impacting both the quantity and quality of milk available. These factors combined can lead to substantial financial losses for farmers, making effective management of mastitis not only a welfare issue, but also a critical component of farm profitability. Effective control strategies begin with maintaining high standards of hygiene and sanitation in both the sheep shed and milking areas. Regular cleaning helps minimize the buildup of harmful bacteria and reduces the risk of disease transmission among the flock. Disinfecting equipment and surfaces, as well as ensuring proper waste disposal, further supports a healthy environment. By prioritizing these practices, farmers can create safer conditions for their sheep and improve overall herd health. Proper nutrition plays a crucial role in maintaining the health and immunity of your sheep, making them less susceptible to mastitis. Providing a balanced diet with adequate vitamins and minerals supports udder health and overall well-being. Additionally, managing stress through gentle handling and minimizing abrupt changes in the environment can help reduce the risk of infection. By focusing on both nutrition and stress management, you create a stronger, more resilient flock. Regular health checks play a crucial role in identifying mastitis at an early stage. By detecting symptoms before they become severe, farmers and veterinarians can intervene quickly, reducing the risk of widespread outbreaks. Early detection allows for prompt treatment, which helps prevent long-term damage to the animal's udder and overall health. Consistent monitoring not only safeguards animal welfare, but also supports better milk quality and farm productivity. Effective treatment for many common animal illnesses often involves a combination of antibiotics and supportive care. Antibiotics are used to target and eliminate bacterial infections, while supportive care helps manage symptoms and promotes recovery. It's important to monitor the animal's condition closely, as some cases may require adjustments in treatment. Consulting a veterinarian is essential if symptoms persist, worsen, or if there is uncertainty about the diagnosis. Early professional guidance can ensure the best possible outcome for the animal's health. Managing sheep affected by infection requires careful attention to both animal health and farm hygiene. Isolating infected sheep from the rest of the flock helps reduce the risk of transmission. It's important to use proper milking techniques, ensuring that equipment is thoroughly cleaned and sanitized after each use. Regular monitoring and early intervention can further protect the flock and maintain overall herd health. Accurate record keeping and consistent monitoring are essential tools in managing mastitis within your herd. By documenting each case, you can identify patterns and potential risk factors that may be contributing to the problem. Regularly reviewing these records allows you to assess how well your current control strategies are working. Over time, this data-driven approach helps you make informed decisions and implement targeted improvements to reduce mastitis incidents. Continuous education and training are essential for farm staff to effectively recognize and address mastitis. By staying updated on the latest best practices, employees can quickly identify early signs of the disease and implement appropriate management strategies. This proactive approach helps minimize the impact of mastitis on herd health and productivity. SMART-AGRI Hub emphasizes the importance of regular training sessions to maintain a knowledgeable and responsive team. Effectively managing mastitis in sheep involves consistent observation, implementing proven prevention methods, and fostering collaboration among farm staff. Early detection and prompt action are key to minimizing the impact of this condition. By adopting best practices and working together, farmers can protect the health and productivity of their flocks. Staying informed and proactive helps ensure long-term success in sheep farming.